Hi, it's 27th of April. Temperature wise, last night it dropped to 3 degrees and yesterday the peak was 27 and currently it's at 22. So we're getting reasonable daytime temperatures, but it's just dropping into the chilly range at night. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to pop some Brussels sprouts into little pots. I'm going to do them in individual pots at the moment, which are biodegradable, so that I can plant them out later when they get larger, just in the pots as they are. So these are the pots. Just pull them apart. And Brussels sprouts grow into quite a big plant, so I don't need many of them, but I will plant enough to allow for non-germination or failure. Odd number for some reason. So weird. I've got an odd number. So this is just going to be seed compost. Just fill them to the top, pat them down so it's firm. The top of this bench is zinc. It's not steel, so it's not going to rust. There we are. Pop a little hole in for the Brussels sprouts. This contains 500 seeds. I don't think I need 500 Brussels sprout plants. So there's more than enough there. Let's hope I can open it. I've got scissors here somewhere. Now the Brussels sprout seeds, tiny little pearls. You can pick them out individually. I'll probably drop about 2 into each pot. And you can thin them out. Well, easy as that. The hard part's waiting for the growing time. So that's them. Pop the cover on so we don't get that wet. It's just a nice little box to keep all my seeds in. So it goes into the house, keep it dry, keep it dark, and they'll not degrade too quickly. So now we'll just get the hose to give those a little spray. Actually, before we do, let's just pop the compost over the top of the seeds. There we go. So turn it on mist. There we go. And we'll just move those over onto the bench so that our potting table is ready for any further potting that we need to do. They feel nice and heavy with water, but I won't need to water them again frequently.